channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing today. It's gonna be great. And of course, if you haven't tried Stitch Fix before, there's a description down below and my referral link. If you haven't tried it, you can get $25 towards your first box. I would get $25 too. Ah! I'm reaching for the box. We have our trusty rusty screwdriver. And here we go. We're opening her up. Bam! If my dog barks. Sorry, did I say dog? Dog. My dog barks. It's Friday as I'm filming this. It's been a week. It has been a long week, friends. Let me know if it's been a long week for you. I'm sure this won't come out for, a few weeks, but I bet that week's gonna be long too. They send you the mailer to send back the things you do not want to keep. And our style note. Sorry. Welcome to your 100th fix, Rachel. This is my 100th fix. Had no idea. Looking back, what has been the highlight of this experience so far? A lot of my clothes are from Stitch Fix, so I guess that's the highlight. Making these videos, people trying out Stitch Fix themselves, letting me know how they are. Anyway, do you have any requests or style goals? I'd love to hear. I was so excited to see you had the time to jump into your fix preview and that you were able to find 4 pieces that caught your eye. To finish this fix, I added the jeans to pair with the tops that you chose. I'm looking forward to your thoughts and can't wait to jump in with you for your next fix. In the meantime, let me know if there's anything else I can keep an eye out for you. Until next time, Alyssa. Yeah, I picked 4 things. I'm in my bathroom and I kept this top. On one of the last fixes, it was a possible 5 for 5, but I did end up only keeping this top. I made a mistake and I sprayed my shower down with some, tile spray. The fumes are getting to me. I already rinsed it, but it's still there. It's fine. All right, here we go. Let's get this going. Here's our bundle. Here it is. I don't know which side's prettier. Probably this side here. Here she is. She's pretty. Okay, we're opening her up. Oh, come on now. All right, first thing. We're gonna bust through this. First thing, Kaylee Molly Peplum blouse in blue. Look how cute she is. She's flouncy, she's flirty, she's floral. And in the back, look at that cute little elasticy cutout. Adorable. I feel really echoey. Let me close the door, hang on. Okay, I think that's a little better. I don't know, we'll see. And next we have a romper. And I get confused a little bit on rompers like this because it's shorts, but the sleeves are long. But it's by Kaylee, the Keeny Knit Romper in black, size large. Look at her. Isn't she pretty? And she got pockets. I just thought it was a really pretty floral. I liked the black background. And we have, Fits by Kaylee. No, okay, I was gonna say Fits by Kaylee. I've got a problem. Market & Spruce SS crew neck slub back keyhole tee in burgundy. Size large. So she's like a regular t-shirt. She's cute. But then the back has that cute little keyhole. So I liked her. And this one I saw, it was in my fix preview, and What Jill Wears. I don't know if you ever watch her. Hi, Jill. What Jill Wears got this in one of her boxes, and it was really cute. And it is the Mason & Bell Karen tie detail top in coral, and I just really liked her. So it's got these little tassels coming off, little V-neck moment, and I like her little floral, like a peachy floral, super cute. And here's some jeans. Here's just some jeans, ASMR. Here's some jeans that she sent with them to try them on. I don't really need jeans right now, but we'll see. Just USA Julie mid-rise straight leg scissor cut jean in indigo. So there's no distressing or anything, but they're straight leg. I need skinny. I'm a millennial. But they have that scissor cut hem on the bottom, which gives it a little something, So, all right, let's try everything on. Here's the first outfit. She's really cute. She's pretty. Here's the Here's the neckline. So it's got that nice V-neck, and then it has the little tassels. I don't know if you want to see. They're pretty cute. I like the color. It's really nice and flowy. So, hey. Sorry, I got distracted by the tassels. So you could tie it too. You could tie it up here, do a little bow, and it would be like that, and your tassels would be right there. But I think it's cute. So it's really cute just out. Here's the back. And of course you could do like a little front tuck. The jeans are nice. They're not bad as far as straight leg go. I just don't need jeans right now. But they feel nice. The jean material feels good for, you know, all your marching needs. But this is cute. I don't know if I would wear it tied or not. I guess you could just do it like that too. I don't know if the tassels would drive me crazy or not. I have other shirts that tie that have kind of tassels, but these are a little heavier. But I really like the sleeves too. I think it's a pretty color. All right, let's try more. Here's the Marketing Spruce t-shirt. It's just a, you know, just a little t-shirt from the front. Here's the back. I haven't even looked at the back yet. Is it cute? Yeah, it's pretty cute. Is it cute? It's pretty cute. It does show my cami, like it goes lower than I thought. So it shows my cami there, which is interesting. You can tuck it in. It's cute, it's stretchy. It's pretty stretchy. I think I like the other top better. But this is nice too. Kind of has a cute little, also florally design. It's not as overtly floral though, I would say. But that's nice too. All right, let's do more. Look at this cute little top. She's adorable with the little sleeves and this little bow. This bow actually does something too. I was like, oh, it tightens it. So you can have it as tight or as loose up here as you want. So I thought this was like just for show, but it is not. Here's the back. Now this one goes low too, so you can see my cami. So maybe you would just wear this without a cami, because it does have a liner in it already. So that's kind of cool. This one's really cute. I think I like this top the best of the three. Let me show you the bottom of the jeans too, because I realize I haven't done that yet. Hello. Don't fall, camera. So here's the bottom of the jeans. They're not bad for a straight leg. There's my shower. They don't drag or anything. They're not really hitting the tops of my feet like other straight leg tend to do. So these aren't bad. I just don't need them. But this top's really cute. I did, I'm surprised my dog hasn't barked yet. I did order from the Freestyle a different peplum top, and it flowed super weird through here, but this one flows nicely, I think. It's a nice length. Okay, let's try on the jumpsuit. I don't know how the camera got all the way over here, but that's where we are. The jumpsuit has pockets. I know I said it when I opened it, but gosh, I love pockets. This is cute. So I took my cami off from under. I took my cami off. And I think with this, I would still wear a cami because it's kind of like wanting to separate through here a little bit. It does have a modesty snap right here, so you can snap it, obviously. But I think if I had a cami on under it, it would just grip a little bit better, because you need it to like open to put it on. But it's really cute. I like it. But you see what I mean? How it's kind of weird, like they're shorts, but then the sleeves are long. Because like typically when you wear shorts, you have short sleeves. So like you'd think it could be like up here or something, you know? So I don't know. Let's see. See that? Oh, hello. See, it's opening up right there. So yeah, I think with short sleeves, it makes more sense to me. personally, but it fits really cute. It has a tie here. This tie does nothing, but it has elastic all through here. And pockets. It has pockets. So gosh, I don't know. I think I like the blue top best, but I did really like the Mason and Bell one too. So let's go over prices and we'll see if I'm gonna keep anything. I don't know. I liked everything. I'm just not, I don't know if I'm in love. In love. I don't know. Here's the sleeves again. I mean, it looks nice like this too, but let's go over prices. Prices. Mason & Bell, Karen tie detail top in coral, size large, $44. I did like that one. Newmarket and Spruce, SS crew neck, slub back, blah, 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 in burgundy, $34 for the t-shirt. Just USA, Julia mid-rise, straight leg, scissor hem jean in indigo, size 14, $58. Kaylee Keeney knit romper in black, size large, $54. And the Kaylee Molly peplum blouse in blue, size large, $44. I don't know. I think I'll have to try them on again or like look at the footage or whatever. My hair's crazy today, you guys. I went to work today. It's Friday. I'm ready. I'm ready for the weekend. I don't know. It's between that Mason. It's between a rock and a hard place. It's between this one and this one. I feel like I have a lot of blue right now, so maybe this one, but I don't know if the tassels would bother me. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think, but be nice. Like I said, if you want to try Stitch Fix for yourself, there's my referral link down below and all my other referrals for boxes or things I like or whatever. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, evening, night, morning, afternoon, whatever it is you're watching this, and I will see you next time.